Hi everyone, happy Monday. This is your very own recap of all the brand new things that I'm bringing to HSN on Wednesday, May the 2nd. Join me at 2 a.m., 11 a.m., 5 p.m., and 9 p.m. on this really amazing craft day because we have all these amazing new things for you to craft your heart till your heart's content. Let's start off with our mini series, our mini stamps and dies. You're getting a sheet of 5x7 stamps, and they're hummingbirds and butterflies and beautiful sentiments that go along with the dies. Look at this, word dies, birthday, love, sympathy, and all the concentric layering on the magnetic mat in the sleeve. Your stamps go in the back. This is going in any of your binders from us. Your stamp binders, your die binders, any of those things, they're going to be right here. Now, as far as our mini series is concerned, we have brand new plate sets for your Anna Griffin Mini. We have extra plates in the A, B, and C that are long that came with the machine. And then we have a brand new set that are short, the A, B, and C, that also work with the Anna Griffin Mini. So, really fun part of the mini series, and there's more to that when I get down the table. Okay, say hello to Well Wishes Shaker Card Making Kit. Now what this is going to make 30 amazing shaker cards that you're going to have all the sequin pouches and everything made for you, and you'll be able to make 3 different styles of cards. Now you'll make a cupcake, you'll make a onesie, and you'll make, and I'll show you this, and a teacup. And we also have the Well Wishes Shaker Card Making Dies for you on Wednesday. That's the die sets that'll make shaker cards out of your own cardstock with all the embellishments. You see we've added a pumpkin for later this year. And so all of those shapes from the shaker card kit you can make with this die set. We also have the Well Wishes confetti dies, and that's the balloons and the teacups and the onesies in 2 different sizes for you to make confetti. Okay, that's a lot of fun. Shaking, shaking, shaking around here. Now, I have all kinds of brand new dies coming up, and this is no exception of fun. Look at this. This is our new gift card die set, and we have a choice of 2 different ones. We have Housewarming, which is the chef's apron and the shopping bag. And then we have the Congratulations, which is the mortar board and the diaper. Both of these come with little gift card envelopes for you to apply on the inside, and you'll be adding all kinds of beautiful crafting to those gift cards that you're giving this season. Well, you have been so excited looking at our previews, and this is one of the most, I guess, exciting items we have coming up. These are our brand new mini 3D flower dies. You cut in one pass, you get the entire flower, and you layer from the bottom to the top concentrically to make hand-drawn beautiful flowers. And this is going to be so fun. All right, now if you're also into flowers like I am, you'll notice that we have our brand new set of mini flowers and sentiments. This is 120 pieces, and they're little tiny flowers and small little sentiments to go with everything mini. We also have our vintage summer decoupage die cuts. This is 460 die cuts for the summertime. There's watermelon and summertime flowers like geraniums and all these beautiful things that are going to work with our cutting dies that we have available. We also have a special set of die cuts for Dad. Vintage die cuts, 214, both this and this. They come with a foam adhesive on the inside so you can punch and layer to create your card fronts. And in this little pile, I also have our long overdue refill set for your die binders. It's a set of 3. You get the sleeves and the magnetic pieces, and this is something you've asked me for. Sorry it's taken so long, but if you love organizing those die binders, this will make it easy to add to it. You just don't want to overload the binder, so 3 is enough, and then, in addition to the 5 that are already there, so 8 in total. That's about all you want to put before you'll compromise the spine. All right, next up we have our beautiful new set of spring color tone pens and color tops from Chameleon. You'll be coloring in Technicolor with those. We also have our Dresden Hobbies, and this is our beautiful sailboats and gorgeous dimensional musical instruments, crowns and bicycles, all 70 pieces in that, and we're going to be decorating like crazy with Dresden. We also have 2 card making kits. We have our Explosion card making kit, which is the card that opens up and says hello the minute you open a 5x7 card. You'll make 20 of those. And then we also have our beautiful layered scenes card making kit, and that is it's a diorama that you are layering beautiful textures one on top of the other, and all you do is punch and layer. So gorgeous new card making kits, only to be eclipsed by our amazing new die sets, even more. I know, wow, lots of dies, but with our mini, it's really fun to create lots of new die sets. Say hello to our basket dies. These are beautiful baskets with flowers and without, and all the things to hang them. Our gorgeous laurel wreath dies. You know, you can make your own personal crest with these, and you are going to be making all kinds of great Father's Day cards with those. And then our border trim dies as well. Cut and emboss, beautiful detail on these things. And I can't tell you, that's a lot of crafting and a whole lot of fun. So it's been my pleasure to give all these things away over the last 2 months, and I hope you're enjoying your gifts to all the winners. And I'll see you all on Wednesday. Bye for now.